What's up, guys? Day 4 of quarantine. Your girl took off her eyelashes. I had to do it. Looked up a little YouTube tutorial yesterday. They said to use coconut oil. I had CBD oil, so I used that instead. Took them all off. Y'all, I look so crazy. That's why I'm wearing makeup, because my eyes look insane. Look at these little bitty eyelashes. So anyway, woke up, cleaned the house a little. I think we're gonna go for a bike ride. It's kind of gloomy outside. I'm not sure if y'all can tell. Vale, ¿quieres ir en la bici?
No.
No, mami. Entonces, ¿para qué te pones el casco aquí, Goyita? ¿Sí, mami? Uh-oh. ¿Te ayudo? Help?
No.
No? Ok, ¿tú solita? Ok. Help. Ok, yo te ayudo. Alright, guys, so pretty much we've done...
I've read every damn book.
we're out here reading. We chit-chatted with our neighbor for a hot minute.
Rode bikes.
We rode bikes.
Went for a walk.
Went for a walk. 2 walks. Or is that the 3rd walk?
We did a bike ride earlier. And then
Oh, the bike ride and then a walk. No, we did 2 walks, babe. And this is the 3rd one.
Yeah.
So we're on walk number 3. We rode bikes.
Reading again.
We're reading again. Penny's taking a nap.
Estamos en el rancho, basically. It reminds me of like summers in Mexico where you really want shit to do, especially when we go to my grandfather's ranch.
Really? The weather's still kind of shitty. It looks like it wants to rain. Not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, it looks pretty bad out here. And I don't know what else there is for us to do.
We can always pray, churn butter.
Churn butter.
You know, rancho style shit, you know, con las velas.
Yeah.
Electrical.
I don't know why we need. He's okay, guys. He's been wanting for us to turn off the lights at a certain time of the evening and just use candles. I was like, what? Why? Why? What's the purpose of that, babe?
Well, I'm not serious. I don't want us to like literally try to conserve all electricity. But I do, as part of my night routine, I do turn on a candle to get some tea or wine and like play some music and wind down, right?
Yeah.
To get some good sleep and some quiet. But you know, and we try to wake up early. I tend to kind of.
Well, I have to wake up early. I don't have a choice.
I'll be halfway awake with you, like Penny.
Penny does not
Penny,
play, y'all. She's like, Mama, get up.
Man, she throws some like strong kicks too. Wow, she had Muay Thai. Can a kid kick you one of those? She throws up her leg. Damn.
No. I just wanted to check in and tell you guys that we're still doing nothing on our rocking chairs. You know what, though? I will say, though, I got these rocking chairs for my birthday in October because that's what I wanted for my birthday. They have been rarely used. They were actually collecting dust, to be honest with you. They were starting to be just decoration on our porch.
And
now they've been used so much, and I just enjoy being out here on my porch.
Our backyard, we've never utilized our backyard.
Our backyard, we used it ever so often. I think Penny uses the backyard more than any of us do, and it's because obviously it's fun back there for her. But we've been out there more. We even like set up our workstation out there the other day. As you guys saw on my last vlog, and now, but we did get brisket dropped off.
Yeah, I'm kind of hungry.
So I think that's what we're gonna go do. So
we need to do a cooking with the blings, but today we're gonna make vision boards.
but yeah, today I'm gonna do a video to drop in addition to this vlog. We're gonna have a vision board, guys. We're gonna do like a little vision board because during this time, we've got to stay positive and just kind of look on the bright side. And maybe when this is all over, you can look back at your vision board and think like, these are the things that I have been wanting to do. I've been wanting to work on these things, and I'm making this thing to remind myself that I shouldn't like stop doing the things that I really enjoy and that I really need to get back on. So I think it'll be a great little activity.
I couldn't think of a damn. It's all mental. You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
A big, you gotta stay positive. You have to stay positive.
For sure.
So tonight we're gonna have a low key, chill night, like
versus what other?
No. But have we watched a movie as a family?
No.
Have we busted out some popcorn and like made those palettes and run around in pajamas and stuff like that? Not really.
Mm-mm.
So tonight's the night.
All right. Está trabajando, mami? Sí. Wow, mami.
Bueno, está cerquita, ¿no?
Here we go, Vale. Go. ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está la Vale? ¿Dónde está la Vale? ¿Dónde está la Vale? La Vale. Hey, hey. Vale. Ok. 1, 2, 3.
¿Qué color es? ¿Qué color es?
Rosa.
Rosa.
Uh-oh.
Rosa.
¡Oh, eso no! ¡No, no, no! ¡Oh, no! ¡Vale! I thought it was music time. ¿Qué pasó? What in the world is this girl doing? Oh, wow. Wow!
Bravo!
Bravo! Bravo! Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. On the way to church. You know, in my living room. Say good morning, boo. Morning. About to get our Jesus on in the living room. All right, so I told you I was gonna get on some serious stuff. So my backyard, I wanted it to be super colorful just because I feel like the backyard's kind of for the kids. It's not really for the adults. So I wanted to always feel like a playhouse for them, but we never finished the baseboards. So there's no excuse now because I'm doing nothing else. So this is what we're gonna do today. Alright guys, so we finished painting, went inside, made some lunch. I made fried chicken, you know, kept it a little bit unhealthy, but healthy at the same time, if that makes sense. Not sure if it does, because our sides were still okay. I did measure and weigh everything, so that's why I say I try to keep it healthy. But anyhow, on our walk now, then I'm gonna go back and show you a little recipe that I just kind of learned about. You know, Pinterest is my best friend. So I'm gonna try it. I'll show it on the video for you guys to try. And then has to do with ripe bananas. So on this walk, hoping that Penny falls asleep because we're an hour behind because we've been trying to do stuff around the house. So taking her for a little walk so she can fall asleep, and then we'll go back inside and work on this recipe I'm telling you all about. So stay tuned. ¿Está comiendo, mami? Yummy! All right, guys, so I have these ripe bananas. I needed to know what to do with them, so I am going to use this recipe. I'm gonna kind of remix it and make it my own, but just so you guys know, the recipe actually calls for 4 ripe bananas, 3 cups of oats. I'm gonna do all these bananas in probably 4 cups of oats. I'm going to add some walnuts, I'll crush them. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this strawberry clusters just so that it could have a little bit of flavor. And then it does require vanilla extract, so I may or may not put that, but stay tuned. All right, guys, so it should start looking like this. So you get an idea. I'm gonna continue to mash here. All right, guys, so it should basically look like this. And you can fill it up to the top because it's not going to rise because there's no baking technically. There's no flour. So we'll put them in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 18 minutes. All right, and while I wait for those to bake or whatever it is they're doing, I'm gonna get started with making Vale's food for the week. I prepare her applesauces, her veggie popsicles and so forth, so that during the week it just makes it easier. And right now, with us not having any help, we have to have everything ready and done so that we can stay on schedule and still try to get some work done. So here we go. All right, I had to stop making the applesauce real quick because they're ready, guys. Look. Can't wait to taste them. Just saying. All right, now that I've cut up the apples, I do like to put a little bit of cinnamon in the water. For the sake of flavor. I don't think she likes that, boo. So we'll put some cinnamon in here in the water. So basically we're just doing this. Trust me, it's way better than buying them packaged. I know it's easier. I do buy the packaged ones for the sake of traveling, but if we're at home, I definitely like to make the applesauce myself. So we'll finish this up. I'll get things ready and then I'll check in back with you guys. All right, so I topped them off with a little bit of Nutella. We gotta let them cool for like 5 minutes, and then I'll let y'all know what they taste like. Meanwhile, we have this going. All right, so before this quarantine happened, a long time ago, I used to have a Shoe Dazzle membership. I thought I had canceled it like years ago. For some reason, I go to look at this bank account that I have, and I noticed that Shoe Dazzle kept showing up. So I was like, what is that about? So anyhow, they won't refund my money because they've been so long ago that they were drafted, which is fine, I guess. But now I've got about, I'm not even going to tell y'all how many credits I have, and I don't even know when I'm going to order all these shoes because it's so stupid. But the package came in. I hadn't opened it because I was scared. I let that package sit in my front porch for a hot minute before I touched it. And I'm finally going to open these shoes. So I'll show you guys. So open these shoes with me while I'm boiling those apples. Oh my goodness, mami. Quita así nomás. Are you, Vale? Oh my God. Vale, ten cuidado, mami. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Penny's about to jump in the shower. I got to finish up dinner and get those apples ready. So thank you guys once again for watching. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit that little bell so that you know the next time I drop a video. Hope you're staying safe, practicing social distancing. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you're up to these days. See you at the next one.